everyone, welcome to the Confident Dancers channel. And if you're new here, my name is Bgirl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. Today, we're doing something a little different. Last month, I entered a battle called CYPHER Rotunda in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I entered with my friend Mona Lisa, who is also a fellow 40 and over B-girl. We were the only B-girl crew and the oldest breakers in this competition. I want to share with you my pre-battle reflection, and I recorded this right before I battled. At the end of this video, I hope you get to reflect on yourself and be inspired about adults taking up space in the breaking scene. You're never too old, and it's never too late to pursue your dreams. All right, let's watch this.
All right, y'all, this is my first time entering a 2v2 battle in many years. And this will also be the first time I'm throwing power in my prelim rounds. We're about to start the adults in about an hour. I'm extremely nervous, but I have to remember that I'm doing this for me, for all the 40 and over people who feel like they just need a boost of confidence that we're still able to take up space and share what we've learned rather than focus on the win. So I just wanted to document that even for myself, I'm proud of you, Mel, for being here. I don't want to get emotional, for being here. Let's do this.